Imagine a river. As it approaches a fork, its current splitting into two paths. The main vertical stroke of the K represents the river's step-first journey, flowing forward with a clear sense of direction. The diagonal strokes are like the two branches of the river, each finding its own course, one rising to higher ground, the other bending downward, carving new paths through the landscape. These strokes illustrate the river's adaptability, its ability to navigate obstacles and continue moving forward, no matter the terrain. This letter K in Gothic texture symbolizes the balance between strength and flexibility. It reminds us that true resilience lies in our ability to adapt and find new ways forward, even when the path ahead splits into unexpected direction.